Alright, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you step by step how to remove your ATM card from Google Gemini. So in case you added your ATM card to this Google Gemini, this video will teach you how to remove it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still on Pro version. So now let's remove the ATM card. Okay, so right here, I'm using boosters software on this video, but you can use your phone to do whatever I'm doing here. So on your phone, you open Play Store. Okay, so once it opens, you click on this profile icon, and you scroll down to payments and subscriptions. So you click on it and they click on subscriptions. Okay, then after that, you click anywhere on this screen, and this is the button for cancel subscription. So you click on it and immediately they will ask you uh the reason for canceling. Okay, then you select any options from here. You can select technical issues, or I found a better app. So for more precise, I will choose cost related reasons. I think that's my own reasons. Okay, so I will select it and click on cancel subscription, and immediately the subscription will be cancelled. Okay, as you can see, they have cancelled my subscription, and they are not going to charge me on this date, January 23rd, 2026. Okay, so let's go back to uh, Google Gemini, and let's refresh to see if they change or they remove me from Pro version. Okay, so I will refresh and let's see the results. Alright, as you can see, I'm still on Pro version. Okay, thank you.